For 4 decades, BMW M stands for thrilling performance, striking technology and unrivaled exclusiveness. Stay with us to be one of the first to have a closer look at one of the latest members of the powerful BMW M family. Now here we have the sportiest versions of the BMW X3M and X4M, the competition models. The X3M is in Donington Grey Metallic, while the X4M is donned in the brand new colour Toronto Red Metallic. Plus, the X4M is dressed in the BMW M carbon exterior package. Let's check out the details. The big apron with large air intakes gives the front an aggressive look, underlined by the typical M double bar kidney grille in black high gloss. And the carbon elements, like the flaps on the lower front bumper, increase the visual focus on dynamics and performance. Viewed from the side, the high-performance 21-inch M wheels immediately grab your attention. M-specific mirrors with carbon fibre really highlight the sporty character of the car. And don't miss the rear spoiler of the X4M and the roof spoiler of the X3M, both providing maximum aerodynamics, essential for high performance on the street. That is the view that most people are going to see on the road, the rear. And what's impressive are the 2 double tailpipes with a diameter of 100 millimetres each. Also, the diffuser is in carbon fibre, which is part of the M carbon exterior package. The interior is clearly M. You immediately feel like you're sitting inside a real sports car. Now, the competition models come with a specific leather combination, and the racetrack-inspired M Sport seats fit like a glove. Plus, these illuminated M badges in the seats, a rather nice touch. The driver has everything under control through the M leather steering wheel. Using the red M drive buttons, you can store and recall certain settings of your driving preferences. Other typical M elements are the gear shift lever and driving dynamic control in the centre console. Now it's time to check out the thrilling driving dynamics of these 2 new powerful M models. Under the hood, we have a brand new 3-litre M twin-power turbo inline 6-cylinder engine. And whilst the X3M and X4M come with 480 horsepower, the competition model offers an additional 30 horsepower. And when unleashing that power, the optionally available carbon precision strut provide high rigidity in any driving situation. Now, before going deeper into driving, go on, take a listen. Now, the M Sport exhaust system comes as standard with the competition models and gives these powerful vehicles an even more emotional and distinctive sound. On the road, they drive as good as they sound. It's a bit like being on a roller coaster when the engine, an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, catapults you in just 4.1 seconds from 0 to 100 kph. And by the way, it's an impressive 600 Newton meters pressing you into your seat. Such driving dynamics need superior braking performance. The M compound brake system. Racetrack technology for the street. Now, that is BMW M. The M-specific suspension is individually configurable, whether that's maximum driving dynamics to long-distance comfort. Both cars come with M-specific electric steering and M-specific front axle kinematics, which ensures immediate steering feedback and response in any driving situation. For superior traction and agility with maximum control, they're both equipped with the innovative MX drive with active M differential. Sensors continually monitor the current driving situation, and dependent upon those results, the system then permanently controls the torque distribution between the front and the rear axle, as well as between the 2 rear wheels. With all the driving fun to be had, it's very easy to forget just how useful it is having state-of-the-art driver assistance systems, including active cruise control, stop and go, and the traffic jam assist, which is available for the X3M and X4M. Striking technology and thrilling performance. The new members of the powerful M family are available from July 2019.